Hey there, plant lovers and interior decor enthusiasts. Welcome back to Furniture Suite today. We've got something truly unique for you. We're diving deep into the world of indoor plants and how they can transform your living room into a green oasis. As you can see, my living room is thriving with these incredible indoor plants: the snake plant, areca palm, lucky bamboo, and money plant. These are some of my absolute favorites, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why. First up, we have the snake plant, also known as the mother-in-law's tongue. What makes it truly remarkable is that it's incredibly easy to care for, making it a perfect choice for anyone, whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or someone just starting out in the wonderful world of indoor gardening. It's also a superstar when it comes to purifying the air in your home. Plus, its striking sword-shaped leaves can add a touch of elegance to any room. Moving on to the areca palm, the ultimate showstopper. This graceful beauty not only brightens up your living space but also acts as a natural humidifier, transforming your home into a tropical paradise. Say goodbye to dry, stuffy air and hello to a vibrant and refreshing atmosphere. Just take a moment to admire these lush, feathery fronds. The areca palm's elegant arching leaves create a captivating focal point in any room. I've taken it a step further. I've creatively integrated my areca palm into the room's lighting scheme. Fixed bulbs with areca sticks and a cleverly designed planter, I've turned this stunning plant into a one-of-a-kind lamp, infusing my living space with a warm and inviting glow. When it comes to maintenance, the areca palm is as easy as it gets. It's not demanding when watering. Simply keep the soil evenly moist and let it dry slightly between waterings. Plus, it's forgiving if you occasionally forget to water it. The lucky bamboo, one of my personal favorites and a symbol of good fortune and prosperity. This plant is not only a delightful addition to your living room, but also a symbol of positivity and good luck. Its elegant, twisted stems and vibrant green leaves create an aura of tranquility and harmony in any space. It's like having a piece of nature's artwork right in your living room. The lucky bamboo L is easy to maintain. This plant thrives in water, which means you don't have to fuss with soil. Just keep it in a vase or container with enough water to submerge the roots, and it will flourish. Last but certainly not least, we have the money plant. This one is a true favorite among plant enthusiasts for good reason. Not only is it believed to bring prosperity, but its heart-shaped leaves make it a delightful and decorative addition to any living room. Take a moment to admire those charming heart-shaped leaves. They not only bring a touch of natural elegance, but also symbolize love and luck, making the money plant a meaningful choice for your home decor. Just like our other featured plants, the money plant is incredibly low maintenance. It thrives in various light conditions, from bright indirect light to lower light levels, and it doesn't require frequent watering. Keep the soil slightly moist, and it'll thrive. These plants are natural air purifiers, removing toxins and improving air quality. Breathe easy, literally. Studies have shown that indoor plants can reduce stress and boost mood. Who doesn't want a calmer, happier home? They're not just decor, they're also your wellness companions. Caring for plants can be therapeutic and help you connect with nature. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just getting started, these 4 beauties are a fantastic addition to your living room decor. Before we wrap up, I'd like to extend a heartfelt invitation to join our growing plant-loving community. Hit that subscribe button below and tap the notification bell, so you'll be the first to know about our future plant-related content. Folks, the secret to turning your living room into a green paradise: snake plants, areca palms, lucky bamboo, and money plants are more than just greenery. They're a lifestyle choice that brings beauty and wellness to your home. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember, plants aren't just decorations. They're companions on your journey to a happier, healthier life. So, until next time, keep nurturing those green dreams. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.